Drowning in leads and losing deals, it's time to ditch the chaos and unlock your real estate potential with Follow Up Boss. Hey real estate pros, in this video, we're diving deep into Follow Up Boss, exploring why it's a game changer for agents and teams looking to supercharge their sales. We're going to break down the core features that make it a top-tier CRM and see if it's the right fit for you. First up, let's talk lead management. Follow Up Boss acts as your central hub, capturing leads from all your sources. Why your website, Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it. See at a glance every lead's contact information, communication history, and assigned tasks, all in one intuitive interface. Next is automation. Follow Up Boss lets you automate repetitive tasks like sending initial emails, scheduling follow-up calls, and even triggering tasks based on lead behavior. This saves you precious time and ensures no lead slips through the cracks. And finally, integrations. Follow Up Boss seamlessly integrates with the tools you already use, like BombBomb, MailChimp, Google Calendar, and countless others. This creates a streamlined workflow, eliminating the need to switch between multiple platforms. Imagine spending less time on admin and more time closing deals. Follow Up Boss empowers you to do just that by improving organization and making sure you follow up with all of your leads. Don't just take my word for it. Countless real estate professionals are raving about Follow Up Boss's impact on their business. They are talking about increased efficiency, improved lead conversion rates, and a more streamlined sales process. Ready to take your real estate business to the next level? Click the link in the description below to start your free trial of Follow Up Boss and see the difference it can make for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tech reviews and tips.